future of Wano is in good hands. We're almost there, Luffy.
Let me take these things off. I promised, right?
Yes, please. Just in case. Could you throw them far away? I don't think they'll explode, but I can't be sure. You took them off!
What the hell is going on here?
No way! Luffy? It was true! Go to hell, you stupid ugly cow gorilla bastard! You really were going to kill me!
Where the hell did that explosion come from? Somebody figure it out right now!
Well, that settles it. I've made up my mind. You're not my father anymore!
Young master!
I'll destroy you! With my own hands!
Whatever trouble you're starting, you better knock it off!